Welcome. In this video, I want to talk about Walmart's new delivery van. I know you guys not gonna like, some of you might not like what I'm gonna talk about today, but it is coming, it is here, and Walmart already have placed 4,500 of, ordered 4,500 of these. So, what are they going to be used for? And here's a couple examples of my understanding. First of all, orders that we are not willing to take. To the area, they'll deliver to the areas that we're not willing to deliver. Like no tip orders, highly crime areas, as well as delivering items that most likely does not fit in our vehicle. Like another day, I had actually 2 or 3 orders came through, which one of them I tried to deliver, the other 2 I declined, didn't even bother going to the store, was a 55-inch LCD. It didn't fit in my vehicle. I'm not sure how Walmart eventually got it delivered, but these deliveries would be done by these vans. Are they going to give those vans to us? No, they're not, unless we choose to become employees. Now, is Walmart taking a smart approach? From one point of view, yes, but from another point of view, is not really. Because you have a vehicle expense, you have an employee expense. Something right now that they don't, and they can care less about us, how they treat us, as long as we're there when they need us. But with this, when they schedule an employee, he has to be there. Do they right now suspect that the employee going to deliver more than a batch of 2? Probably. That's what they're suspecting. That employee going to go out, come back, go out, come back, and at least do 4 to 6 deliveries within an hour. And that's probably what they're suspecting that's going to make it worthwhile. Because they're paying us, what, $5 for taking an order, and then $2 for each stop. So if the employee able to handle 6 deliveries, that is three trips. That is $15 right there. Employees' hourly wages covered. Then 6 stops. That's $12 additional on top of that. That they can cover vehicle expense. So if they look from that angle, yeah, it might be worthwhile. But we're not here to talk about is it worthwhile. We're here to talk about what most likely possibly might take our deliveries that we're right now doing with Walmart. So this is actually Canoo's Walmart ad that they ran from the Canoo website, but I want to actually go and cover. So, if you guys go to full char show and pick a video, Canoo Space Age Electric Van is finally here. You guys can read through the video notes, which they put in an order of 45 of them right now with Walmart. Let's look how the vehicle looks. This is actually their demo vehicle, the one that actually, they built as a demo for Walmart. And they're right now out there testing it out. Walmart will have special equipment that is not included in this video, but look at some of the features. I was just amazed how low this vehicle is. When the driver was out, it actually was no higher than his shoulder. That speedometer gauge would be right here. So right now, you're sitting in park. You have open front end. That means you'll be able to see everything up front. Possibly this can be also be used as a storage space. Very nicely open view, as you guys can see. A lot of glass, a lot of opening. Under the foot, it has opening all the way back to that front bottom window. So you have gas pedals here. And again, these photos have been taken off of that video that I showed you guys. Now you have the LCD panel where you control everything. Also, my understanding, these are actually our mirror controls, so you can quickly control the mirrors up and down to see, especially if you're backing up. Here's that LCD control panel where you pretty much will be able to control everything from there. This is the cargo space. The back end has higher because I believe, my understanding, that's where the battery is stored, and then center section actually has a lower floor. If the van were to create a larger range, they probably will put in a battery and level this floor, and that's probably what I would have done to begin with, is create a level floor with extended range. So this from the back view, as you guys can see, lower floor right here, and then you have higher floor where I'm guessing is where the battery is at. Is that the last one? I guess that's the last image of the Canoo. Um, so just wanted to let you guys know these vans are coming, and the question is the 4500 is just a starting, and then eventually they'll completely run these vehicles to all the Walmarts, or this is just or the 45 is their final number, and we will still continue doing these deliveries. Let me know what you think in the comment section. But I've been hearing rumors about Walmart going with employees for the deliveries, and looks like they're taking one step closer to making that happen. Now, another question that I'm going to throw it out there is, if employee is going to be doing delivery, right now he's also going to be going and actually loading the van. He's going to be going and picking the trays, and he most likely will be loading combining these deliveries into the trays and loading those trays in the van. That means they will be saving on the person that's going out. Right now, Walmart has an issue with where the same person that brings out the groceries to the drivers also bringing out the groceries for the curbside pickup. And sometimes, it just doesn't happen on timely manner. So if the driver goes and right now does all that himself, that actually can, relieve employees to focus on the curbside pickup as drivers load their own vehicles and have access to the back room, which can be actually worth it and profitable. Now, when they're backed up, are drivers going to go and shop the store? Probably not. Like right now in some of our Walmarts, we have shop and deliver. So shop and deliver thing might continue, even though in my market, both stores tried shop and deliver and shut it down due to too many drivers have been shopping for themselves while shopping for the customer and not paying for their personal items that they shopped for. So they tried out a couple days and shut it down because they couldn't find enough of drivers that actually would do it in an honesty form. So I don't know where does all this goes, but as we can see, Walmart is definitely making some changes. So I would like to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about Walmart's new van, and how quickly do you guys think those new vans will start showing up in your neighborhood Walmart? Take care and be blessed.